Good morning again, colleagues, brothers, sisters in the hustle of trading. Time for second community service to create up traders through teaching and inspiring. How was your Nasdaq trade yesterday? How was it? Did you catch those good pips that we had yesterday in Nasdaq? I did. I got a trade of 1,700 pips, I think. Yes, because it was around the same thing I got on gold, and I shared it on my Threads. My Threads Instagram account is at DRBTGAR. Same as my TradingView handle. Actually, same thing on YouTube. Sorry, please, when I'm quiet, I'm just trying to make sure I see, because whenever I get on the chat, whenever you see my videos, we are seeing the chat for the first time at the same time. We are seeing the chat for the first time at the same time because I just click record, then I open TradingView. So if you notice, most times when I'm doing the greeting, that is when I am clearing out the previous zones, the zones of the previous day. Listen, some of these zones you draw, right, they are valid for a long time, but because I'm a day trader, right, I just like to, just makes more sense for me to work based on the day. Do you get? I don't swing trade, I don't do any of that, so I will not have one zone and leave it forever. So every time I will get on the chart and wipe out, clean out the zones of the previous day and start afresh. It's just my own way to be, it's just my own way, my own structure, my own way of handling things. Everybody has the way they do things that works for them. Another one is this: my line is being short. I really like clean charts, guys. You have no idea. I like clean charts. There's a lot, and I think that's a big reason as to why I do not use indicators, because indicators put a lot on the chart, and the moment there's a lot on the chart, I can't see. I don't understand. It doesn't even make sense to me myself, but in case it doesn't make sense to you, I get it, because that is my reality. Can we call this a support on the 4 hour? Okay, maybe. Let's just put it there for now and we see. And this area could also be a resistance on the 4 hour. I color code my charts. My red is for the daily time frame. Green is for the 4 hour time frame. And blue, which I have not used yet in this video, is for my lower time frame, and the lower time frame for me is 1 hour and 30 minutes. So I'm just trying to adjust this thing so it can be organized. Sorry, this thing actually costs a lot of time waste, but I gotta do what will make me function well, bro. Don't you agree? This is how life should be. You figure out a way to function well and function well based on that. Should I? This place, could we call this place a support? I don't know. Let's see what price does later there first. Well, we have a support right here on the lower time frame. Okay, all these lines, the ones that are longer, we'll readjust them later. I'm trying to, when you don't cover these zones properly, what can happen is that you've been a trade to be going well, but you will not know when price literally gets to support and turns itself around. I want to put this right here and spread it like this, because what? Support and resistance is an area, not a number. Are we done? Is there any other thing I'm not covering? Let's see. I'm ignoring this side intentionally because it's almost like the same area. You get it? Okay. Even here, see, and when market is choppy like this, I do not like it. I will not lie. when it's choppy like this, it now causes us to draw too many zones. So I will have all this place in my mind, right? I will have all these areas in my mind, but I'm working with this immediate on the left, because you see price nicely moved up here. So if price is to push back, price could also nicely push back up and ignore all of this choppiness, but we will see. Listen, the one thing I can tell you in trading is that don't aim to be very correct all the time. Just aim to do what you know. Make sure you do what you know and follow it. That's all you need to do. Then if it's right, it's right. If it's wrong, it's wrong. Period. Like, seriously, period. What am I looking at? Trading. I'm really not happy with how choppy this looks. This is the 300 pip range, okay. So price has seemed to find a little bit of a resistance here. I could easily say that price was coming to take an order here, right? But we had not yet analyzed. So assuming, I'll give you a little bit of how I think, right? Assuming we got on this chart at the time where this candle was closing, this particular, let me zoom out a little bit. At the time this particular 30 minutes candle was closing, this one right here, you see it? Yeah. If we're on the chart where that was closing, I would have said that if price break and close above here, I would buy, which I still would do. But I would have said that if price comes back here around this area, I can buy from this area, because price has shown us that this place is quite valid. Look at these areas and look at this area, right? But it did not happen. Sharp, fine. Sorry, we were not on the chart, fine. So this would have been an area to buy, to push up. So anyway, if price still decides to come down and give a bullish confirmation from here, we can buy. If price closes, we can buy with the mindset, even though this range is short, we can buy with the mindset that price is pushing all the way up. But if price push and close above this area, also, to taking a trade around this area because of this range right here, you have to take a little risk so that in case it goes against you, the loss will be minimal. You need to develop the habit of differentiating between a quality trade and not a quality trade. And when you feel like it's not a quality trade, reduce your risk. It's all a plan that is good to follow. Anyway, price breaks and close above this area, good area to trade, because we have a little bit of a clean range on this side and we have a good range to the upside. If price pushes down here, bullish confirmation will buy. Price pushes down here, bullish confirmation buy. Down to this area, I will be mindful. Wait, actually I should, because we can see that price actually acted here. So if price pushes down to this area and bullish confirm, push up, buy. Bullish confirmation from here, buy. Bullish confirmation from down here, buy. For sales, if we get price to push and close below this area, good area to sell to get to this next zone. If price push and close below this area, we sell. Push and close below this area, sell, and from here, sell. If price pushes to the upside and gives a bearish confirmation from here, we can sell. Also with buys, if price push above this area and close, we can buy. If you don't know about candle confirmations, I have a playlist that says from novice to pro. You can go there and watch the videos, and to give you understanding as to how what we call candle confirmations. Lastly, I do not trade all these zones. I just trade one or two of the areas. My trading style needs me to have different plans based on whatever the market, the price, or candle, or the chart might do. Please do not overtrade. I'm not a fan of overtrading. Don't over risk. No over leveraging. Well, that's over risking. Do not revenge trade. Don't trade emotionally. Do not overtrade. I wish you a beautiful day trading. Please continue to interact with these things. Do whatever, share it, whatever, so that we can be able to wait. Okay, yeah, everything I said is still valid, but I didn't realize I was on the 1 hour time frame. But everything I said is still valid. Anyway, cool. So we see this area, right? Bullish confirmation. Bye bye. Anyway, we should get a beautiful day trading. Peace out.